What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. 2015 Chevy Camaro SS. This is what it sounds like before. It's got something done to it. I think it's just tips. We'll see. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 95. Alright, we'll let you guys hear it out. So you heard it before, 2015 Chevy Camaro SS. So you heard it with the Borlas on it. I guess they're touring, axle back. What we got done on it is factory converter still the same. There and there, 4 of them. Aftermarket X-Pipe by Borla. Then 2 1/4 all the way back. Then we ran 2.5 inch where the 2 Borlas were, there and right there. And replaced the tips with better looking 4.5 inch rolled edge tips out the back, just to make it look better, look cleaner. So we'll let you guys hear it now, round 2, see what you guys think of it. All right, now it's straight pipe, guys. Here we go. So much better. So you guys like it with the Borla or straight pipe? Let me know in the comments. Go ahead. Sound decibels? 113. Again? I like it. Go ahead and back it up. That's so good. I love the sound of these. Let you guys hear on the inside. Camaro SS. X-pipe, straight pipes, 4.5 inch tips out the back. Oh man, it sounds so good. I love it. Enjoy, guys.